Hi friend, how are you? I hope everyone is fine and okay. So just a quick issue I solved today. Someone sent me um hosting and domain, and I tried to edit anything in Elementor or DB Builder. It was not showing in live website like in other mobile like this. Okay, it was not showing, or in other. Uh, Web browser, other devices uh, are in your the same devices. You will go to, if in the same devices you go to new incognito window, the website, we make some changes, it will not showing. Okay, so I'm install this theme and build a perfect website, but the issue is that the website was not showing on their devices and their web browser. So what I do, I did install clear cache for me sitting. Okay, this is a plugin you can find is very easily. Okay, let me show you. This is a plugin. You will, okay, so I already installed this plugin, and if I go here, wait, let me, because this plugin solve me an issue for me. Other I watch other YouTuber, but they did not solve the issue. The only plugin is this, that plugin I install for myself, and when I install it, I go to the setting, and here I find it, and then I save changes. Okay, nothing I do with this. Okay, only this was already clickable, and I here save, click and save changes. Okay, so let me show you in my mobile the changes in the made in any page builder. Let me show you in this mobile. Okay, what I did, let me this is my mobile. Okay, let me open it. Okay, so you can see it in other my devices. This my other devices. The issue was fixed. Okay, in the live website. Only you only have to install a clear cache for me. I'm showing that for you, that plugin. Now I will go to plugin and add new plugin, and I'll show you the clear cache for me plugin which solve my issue. Okay, so I was searching for WP fastest. There is also another plugin too, fast WT fastest clear cache, ch is cache. Okay, but that did not work for me, that. So you have to try for this clear cache for me is. Let me, you should be installed. Let me see. You can see this is you will install this clear cache for me. This will solve your issue. If you install it, this will solve your issue. You install must this and it will solve your issue. If you have issue in your live website, when you make changes and it does not appear in your same devices where you log in, then you install this clear cache and it will work for you. After that, because I install it, no, I will okay, I will go here. Okay, go here and show you that I install all that, but that did not work for me. The only plugin that worked for me was, okay, let's go to here in that dashboard to setting, and then to clear cache for me. Okay, and you can do nothing. Clear cache for me is sitting. Only you have what to do. To below, this should be clickable. Yes, show clear cache for me button, and just click on this. Save changes. If you click on this, your website will show to you. So thanks, like and subscribe. If you didn't understand, please also you can comment me or WhatsApp me. Okay, bye bye.